Alicia, and welcome back to my channel. First off, some disclaimers. I do apologize for the lighting of the video. I am currently in the process of moving, so if you hear the TV in the background, my oldest daughter was watching TV. She didn't want to cut it off, and now she's up here bothering me, making noise. So if you hear some if you hear some noise in the background, it is her. Second thing is also these earrings that I do have on. I do have my own business. It's called Loving by Nature, which I will be making another video showcasing some of the products that I currently have. These earrings I did make. They are listed on my website, and I will leave the link for my website in the description below. But today this video is going to be about, first off, the oldest one wants to say hello. Alright, now move. Alright, so I wanted to make a video about this company that reached out to me, wanted me to try out a product, their wigs. I don't really wear wigs like that, so I probably will be giving this wig to my mom, but I just want to come on and give you guys a review of the wig. So it is from this company called Happy Everyday. It's a virgin, well, they have virgin hair lace wigs, ombre lace wigs, closures, human hair bundles, crochet braids, hair, synthetic lace wigs, and hair accessories, and etc. It's from this place called Happy Everyday. You order it off of Amazon, and I will be putting the link in the description box as well of the actual link where you can go to order this particular hair that I got. But it is the headband wig that everybody is doing currently, so I am going to go ahead and try on the wig for you guys. I have tried it on a couple of times because it is kind of puffier than what I was expecting it for it to be. This one is the synthetic thread, I think. So it's been kind of hard for me trying to liven it back up or get the curls how I want it to be. So, but this is how the wig is looking. And like I said, I wore it a couple of times, so it's a little straggly, but you know, a little orchard and stuff will fix that. So I'm just going to try the wig on for you guys now. So it comes with the wig, it comes with one headband, and it comes with one wig cap as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put this wig cap over top of my head. Daughter crying in the background. She wants to come mess when she see me recording, and then, you know, she gets in trouble. And okay, anyway, so it is actually wearing the wig. I would have braided my locks down, but okay, so you put your little wig cap on, and then you just apply the wig. Now the wig does have an adjustable band on here. It does have an adjustable band, like I said. This hair is stuck on there. So it does have the adjustable band on there, and then it has the little straps for you to put the wig on. So I'm going to tighten this up just a little bit, because I'm not the best at wigs. So is what the wig looks like. Before I had locked my hair, I was in this phase of liking this big hair, but now I mean, it depends on what it would depend on what I'm wearing as to whether or not I would rock this wig or not. Probably if I was to wear this wig though, I would honestly probably just do like the little puff, all up into a puff, and put the headbands on. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and give a quick review of this hair. The hair is good. It's really fluffy, so if you happen to have to cut the hair, it is perfectly fine. And then, like I said, I done wore it a couple of times since I've got it, so with these little stragglers, all you have to do is cut those off. And when I did purchase the wig, it also came with one headband. It came with this one. However, they did allow me to get some more as well. So this is the one that it comes with. American flag looking one. Show you how it will look with the headband on. Look with the head. Oh, that's a look. But yeah, this is how it will look with the headband on. So like I said, for people who don't wear wigs like me, this is very convenient. You don't have to worry about fixing up no lace. You don't have to worry about fixing up the part, putting like a little product on the part to make it look realistic. You don't have to worry about none of those things. It is pretty much there for you. Everything is thought out through. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the link in my description for you to purchase one of these wigs. They also have some straight ones, some curly ones, and all those different things. So just check out the links, and I will leave the link below also as to where you can get these headbands as well. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Thanks, you guys. Bye.